In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the Binance Price Chart in full screen. This can be incredibly helpful for anyone looking to dive deeper into their cryptocurrency trading and analysis. So let's get started. First things first, you'll need to head over to Binance's official website. For those unfamiliar, Binance is a popular cryptocurrency exchange where you can trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, and various other altcoins. Whether you're on a computer or a mobile device, you'll want to ensure you have an internet connection to access their site. Once you're on the Binance homepage, you're ready to dive into the markets. Next up, locate and click on the Markets section of the website. This is usually found in the main navigation menu, and it serves as your gateway to exploring the various cryptocurrencies available on the platform. Here you will see a comprehensive list of all the cryptos traded on Binance, accompanied by their current prices and some essential market data. Now, choosing a cryptocurrency to focus on is your next step. For this tutorial, let's say you want to look at XRP, but feel free to select any coin of your preference by clicking on its respective name or ticker. This action will redirect you to a dedicated page filled with detailed information and charts relevant to your chosen currency. Once you land on the cryptocurrency page, you'll notice a chart displaying the price movements and trends over different time frames. To extend this chart into a full-screen view, simply tap or click on the chart area once. This can be of particular advantage when you want to scrutinize the price movements closely or when using the charting tools Binance provides. If you're accessing Binance through your smartphone, there's an additional step to make use of. Simply rotate your device horizontally and you'll see the chart expand to fill your screen, optimizing the view for analysis. On the other hand, if you're using a desktop or laptop, you can easily zoom in on your browser for a larger view or expand features provided within the chart interface. While you have the chart in full view, don't forget to utilize the various tool options available. Binance offers several tools that allow you to zoom in or out, change the time frame, and even draw trend lines or add indicators to better understand price movements. This kind of minute analysis can be crucial, especially if you're looking for specific entry or exit points in your trades. So there you have it, a straightforward way to check Binance price charts in full screen. Whether you're using a mobile device or a desktop computer, these steps should help you navigate and access the insights you need. Thanks for watching and happy trading.